On the morning of Monday, the 5th of June 2017, Christians of the Presbyterian Church in Cameroon came out in their numbers to show support to their spiritual leader, the Right Reverend Funky Samuel Fobi, who was one of those prosecuted and charged to court on the alleged offense of closing down Presbyterian schools during the strike action in the Anglophone regions of Cameroon. As the Christians throgged their way into the court premises with their peace plans, it was impossible not to notice the arrival of military trucks loaded with armed military men deployed to the scene. The law states that courts are public arenas and therefore the public is allowed to attend open court sessions.
Our lead barrister objected to the militarization of the court premises, which prevented Cameroonians from having free access to the court, which is a public arena, and which was taken note of by the magistrate and state council.
That same law empowers court administrators with the authority to alert forces of law and order when the need arises. The question is, was the presence of the military even before such an alert was raised to instigate violence or to maintain peace and order? More so, was the act of barring the public from gaining access into the courtroom not a clear evidence of provocation as their right to assist in an open court hearing was violated? The court session was adjourned to the 24th of June for reasons explained.
In pursuance of objections raised by our barristers of the non-appearance of the civil parties fighting the case against the church, and the late appearance of their counsel sitting in for their main counsel, the court was left with no option than to postpone the case to the 24th of July.
In the moderator's farewell speech, he applauded the Christians for their support. He equally cautioned them to flee from traps of provocation and violence to avoid being assaulted or liable to any criminal suits.